Hi friends, welcome to Shivasi Spoken English classes. Today's we will learning my daily routine. Okay, Shivani, are you ready?
Yes.
Please tell.
My name is My name is Shivani. I get ready for school. मी शाळेसाठी तयार होते. I leave for school at 7. मी 7 वाजता शाळेत जाते. I come back at 2. मी 2 वाजता परत येते. I have lunch at. मी दुपारचे जेवण करते.
Okay, Shivani, what is your name?
My name is Shivani.
How old are you?
My 12 years.
I
I am 12 years old.
am 12 years old. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
I got it.
I got it.
Okay. Thank you so much.